Here we are. It's supposed to be the worst storm we ever had. Right now it's let's see, what time is it? It's 10:56. It's coming down really heavy. And by 12 o'clock this afternoon, we're supposed to have super heavy 75-mile-an-hour winds. One of the worst storms we ever had. I'm gonna get out here and try to video a little bit of it. So we'll keep you in touch. Pretty deep, Aunt? I can't see you. Aunt, what do you think?
Good.
I don't think we can get the gate open. Wow, this is really deep, huh?
Yeah.
You got a basketball or do a shot?
Oh, some good.
Pretty deep, huh?
Yep.
Let's take a walk. Let's go. Come on, Aunt. No, don't hit that. Come on. I'll see you later. A lot of snow on the block, huh?
Yep. Let's do everything.
Let's see our house over here. What's that? No. Bad day out, huh?
Yeah.
How you doing out there, Aunt?
Good.
Bad day, one of the worst storms we've had in years, right?
Yep.
It's tough. Getting some cold cuts here. Kids are snowed in. We can't get nowhere. It's tough right here. What time is it? 11:30. Get out there, get a little more of the snow.
Bye. Yeah.
And it didn't even hit us yet. It's supposed to start in another hour or so. Really, really heavy. 1 foot to 2 feet of snow.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. That's what you call a good neighbor. And not only next door neighbor. Now the guy's doing the other side of the street. He lives 4 houses down from us. Good man, good man.
I got mom working.
About time she's doing something. Well, at least she's doing something for. She's doing something for a living. Back to work. Back to work.
He's taking pictures and you're working. Honey, wait for me in case I fall.
You won't get hurt.
You have to come pick me up.
That's great. I gotta shovel it out. Pretty deep snow. Deepest I've seen in many years. A lot of snow, a lot of snow. Still coming down too. Pretty much all day. All day. And we just got the snowplow going today. I took it all apart. Everything apart. A lot of work. I took everything apart completely. Finally got it working. With this a third snowstorm, I had no snowblower. Finally got it going though. Did a good job. There's my truck out there. It's pretty well plowed in. Donna's car's got an accident, so this is Grandma's car. She let us use it for a little while. So that's it. I guess we'll see you first thing in the morning tomorrow. Check it out. Here's my recording studio where I record my songs. This is it. Loudon. Hey, Grandma. Who's that? Mikey! Hey, Mike.
One snow.
No, don't put it in there. It's too hard. Oh, you can walk on it. Mike. Mike. Hey.
Mike.
Is it cold, Mike?
Mike.
Mike, is it cold?
Come here. Mike, come here. Walk in the snow. Dad.
You gonna help Dad there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mike.
Mike is gonna help Dad there? Go ahead, Mike. Push it, Mike.
Mike, come here.
Push it, Mike. Go ahead. Yeah, let him push it. Mikey's starting it. Are you gonna start it, Mike? Are you helping Daddy? Good boy.
Mike.
Go ahead, help Dad there. Good boy. All right.
Good.
Snowed in last night.
Yep.
Mom trying to show him everything out. So. All right, buddy.
Bye.
See you later.
How do you feed it?
Shut it. Stop it.
Oh.
You can't move it when you go to fade it.
Oh.
Do it again, I missed it.
Ready?
Yeah. Good.
I wasn't ready.
No sun yet. Let's get it.
Yes, bye.
Watch that bar. You coming? Yeah, you coming down? It is really cold.
Yeah, me and you go.
Avoid travel in all 3 states. Travel still pretty treacherous. Storm out of the picture for now, but the high wind advisory continues. Cloudy with some
How you like it back there?
He's going all Asian, and he's still going. And you shitty ass man.
I don't know if I should. Oh, that one right here.
Yeah, go, go. Wait. Don't break his neck. Oh.
Go ahead, go ahead. He's not in your way. Joshua. Here we are, all three of them trying to walk up the hill. Can't make it up, it's too slippery. The REC?
Yeah.
Okay, now hit it again to stop it.
All right.
Oh, man, stopping me.
Just right here, you're gonna catch.
Yeah, no, these go for that. It's too hot for him.
You're 80 million, come on in, punch the lotto. 80 million, Jerry's gonna hit, find me from the van. Jerry's got a headache. Alright, Jay. See you later, have fun down in Florida. How we doing out there in Florida? This is our new office. I just remodeled. We're working on a computer now. Guess. Very good, Aunt. What do you call that? No, we call the thing you're playing. A recorder? Yeah. To me, it looks like a flute. That was pretty good, though. Very good. Take it out of your mouth, Mike. Good, yay!
Okay, cool. You wanna try?
That's really about it, buddy. We'll talk to you later. Hey, kids. Hey. There's Jerry, Joelle, and Mikey. Jerry? No, don't touch.
I wanted to put my hand in there.
Hello. There you go. Stella. What's up, Jerry? What's up, man? Not much.
Hey, Jay. Hi. Say hi. What do you want?
Who is Jay?
Hi, Jay.
Whose son is he?
I mean, hi, Aunt.
Hi. Who's this, my sister-in-law? Is your son? You gonna take him? Hi.
He'll be coming.
Oh, good.
Sure, shut that cabinet. No, he's your lover. Why should I take him?
I'm sorry?
Make sure you get on videotape. Big most of that kind of stuff. Well, well, we got a very stylish shirt here, man. Have no excuse to look like a bum. I can't look like a bum if I have no excuse to look.
Stop by, Mike D. I have a water doll. Take a look. So you know the rubber around the window? The rubber seems to be wearing away. In fact, it feels like it's raining inside the car. Yeah, my side window, you see.
Oh, outside?
Oh yeah, that's right. Car's outside. What?
I have all my clothes in my car. Claremont.
Well, if you look, you can actually see through it.
My favorite gift. What? Anthony, Donna, Anthony, and Michael.
You said Anthony, Donna, and Mike. Will I put the money in here? Did you
No,
know?
I'll hold the money.
Yeah, you can get that.
This was about 39 a month. You know.
I think you're on 20.
One line, happy birthday, big old woman.
If you have the money now, I'm waiting for you.
This is from my mom. Sunshine and happiness. Mom and Dad.
Hey, how, when you taking us out tonight?
Let's all go out. Let's all go.
History teaches us anything more. Doing conversations that you have to go around. On your birthday, remember, there are 3 major milestones in life. When you're over 16, you can drive. When you're over 21, you can drink. When you're over 29, you can lie.
Right. 29, that's 29 was perfect. Thank you, it's 29. Perfect.
This is a whole big crime, and I can think that I would do that. Anyway.
So that's the window.
We take care of our own.
But they're open now until, I think they went to closing 1. That's a nice place. Good for the girl. That's the place. The course is about 100 miles.
Mikey! Hey, Tata! You're high. Mikey's high.
We're building.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Now, how do you want to say something,
No. Happy
Birthday.
Wait a minute. Happy
I just want to say I was born in a humble log cabin, and thank you God for this day.
I still have humble on that.
birthday to
Well, 50 miles.
So he started. Ready, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you gotta do it again?
Happy birthday to
You
you.
know, men's voices.
Happy birthday, Howie. Happy birthday to you.
You know, I never think it would look like the way they show them on television when they're doing that.
Got about 3 people reluctant.
Here, oh my God.
Yay! Put on a light. Yay!
Why don't you blow?
Yeah, put that down here.
What heads you first? Hold it steady and don't move too quick.
You don't have to hold
Oh,
it.
he's doing it. Oh, he's getting
Howie's birthday party.
How you don't have to hold them anymore.
Birthday party.
Because they have an automatic thing in it that stabilizes it automatically. So even if you shake it a little bit,
42, that old
it
man.
won't be that way. I don't know if that's what it is.
Yeah, 29.
Does that have the stabilization in it?
Morning. Here we are, trying for the second time to get this on tape. They erased it the first time. Again, we got our computer here. Right? Right? See the beeper? You're a little scared, okay? Stop for a second. Remodel all this, carpet it, there's clock up here, lights. Yep, hooked everything up. And this, cut a second, comes down here, keeps people out. We actually have beepers in here. We have real fake beepers in here. It's a fake one here. Somebody stole all the beepers out here. Actually came in, unscrewed the top here while Jay was here in the back and Donna. Stole all the beepers and then left. Hard to believe, right?
No, it's not. Not at all.
Plain American. But that's about it. We're gonna fade out now. See you later.
Say hi, Donna. Hey, buddy. I want to get Donna work. This is Donna working very hard on her catalog orders. ICOM's been in catalog orders for a while now.
I'm looking here for Michael. Little inline skates for toddlers. I want him to feel left out when Anthony gets his.
There's my safe. Jay's got his girlfriend here. See? I think your dad was over that.
Jay's desk, he just straightened it out. I think it's safe.
Come on, man, I'm working over there.
He's working over there. He's working over there, over here, over here. He's just about all over it, the fax machine. There's all, whatever's going on, there's a hole in the floor we got here. Oh, can I help you?
Okay.
And I've got a heater on the wall here. Don't you put your earrings in?
What?
Don't you put your earrings in? Our
It's called copy machine, Tyler.
world map. State map. What's the purpose of it? Now, what I really want to show you, let's set my father in front of it. This is Larry. This big Larry just started here about a week, 2 weeks ago. He's pretty small. We had a triple X on him, but he'll be all right.
And the earrings.
Yeah, well, Mr. Clean, he's a clean guy.
Hey, I gotta shave.
He's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good here.
Jay painted the bathroom for me, as you can see how nice it looks. See the nice paint job he did? He does good work. You should take him down Florida. Take him down Florida to do some work for you. He's good. He's thin too. As you notice, he lost weight. See his belly?
Really? It was. Yeah, that was missing since January.
What's up? None. Listen, if you don't believe me, Tony's right here. You can ask him.
Let me give my
Hey, what are you doing, Jer? Paint my disgusting ring. Oh, really? Yeah. I just took them off with thing here.
Oh, yeah?
They were all black.
Uh-huh.
Got it down to the base. Watch that right here. Hit that other spot down there.
This one?
Yeah.
That's a rough one, but I'll try.
It's right near the, yeah.
Like the drill. Pretty good idea, right?
Yeah, it's a pretty good job, man.
I'm gonna paint it. It's the thickest paint I ever used in my life. Comes really good though. See the back one?
Oh yeah, it looks pretty good back here. Yeah, Michael, see Uncle Jerry. I'll be right back, Jerry.
Alright.
Hi.
You don't share. You rolling?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, Mikey, I think it's his face. That's why
He's
you're
okay.
little boy. You okay? Hey, listen to this. Watch. Wait. Watch. Mike, Mikey, what you do? What you Mikey do? Okay, watch. Watch this shot. Hard to move as much, man. Watch this shot. You ready?
Yeah.
About time, huh?
Yep. Okay, bye.
All right, see you later. It's fading.
Bye.
Yeah? I think it was like $20-something a gallon for that paint. Really, really good.
So thick it is.
Yeah, pretty good.
You guys should have went black or
Yeah, black's good. Here's the truck. Just washed it up a little bit yesterday. Put a cap on it. And I got to paint the cap. I was going to do it today, but I couldn't get a gallon of paint. What I did do is I put a door in the back. See the hatch? There wasn't a hatch there. I put these hinges on. See the hinges? Doesn't look as good up close, but it works. Can't really notice it too good from back here, but it works. Got pulleys on it. The hatch come off the other truck, actually. Hooked an alarm up. That's truck. There's the alarm I hooked up. There's my radar detector. Right there in the corner. There's my CD player hooked up. Yeah, the CB, not player, the CB. I bought this radio. You go like this. Slide it right out. So nobody can steal it. I hooked up a switch here, which turns on the light. There we go. Now turn the light on, light off, light on, light off. When the doors open up, now the light goes on. See? When the light goes on, the alarm goes off. Here's my key thing for the alarm. Right there. You push that button, and it turns the alarm on. We'll try it now. Hold on a second. Okay, I set the alarm now. The alarm's on. See the little red light on there? keeps moving. As soon as I open the door, the alarm goes off. Now watch. Okay. I also put this light in. Plugs in here. Take 2 cigarette lighters. A lot of wiring I did. A lot of wiring. Let's hit a radio, how about that? Let's first go turn it on.
Fun. That's the whole idea. It's what rock and roll's all about, man. Fun. It's not about anything else. It's about just straight. We're not out to save the world. Save this. I mean, it's about rock and roll and fun, and that's what you'll see tonight.
Bye-bye, Mike. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mike. Bye. Hook the CB up. There's a CB antenna up top. Snake it down through the back. It comes in right here. Right through there. Mike is in it. Oh, don't break it, Mike. Oh, it came pretty good, Jar. Nice and shiny. Yeah, it's got a nice gloss to it. No, you don't paint the tire. My battery's going dead, so... Nah. Hey, Jar.
How you doing?
Hey, graduating here now, huh? Painting the truck.
Well, we were just testing it, and it looked good.
Yeah, it covered really good. Okay. There's one whole side done. Real good. Nice and shiny.
It looks good. Like if you come on this angle.
I know, the angle is really good. Ready. Painted my curves today. Donna's gonna give me her response to it right now. What, Donna? Anthony painted it. Pinocchio? Mike, what's up, Pinocchio?
How much was Pinocchio? 13?
Oh, you went to Costco? Mike, let me see, Mike. Hold up to Daddy. Daddy's I can see it. Let me see.
I have that.
Go, bring it inside so Mommy could play it.
Yeah, what would you do with this, Stone?
What I do is because you sleep here, you eat here, you crap here, you pee here.
And it's your house.
Yeah, but you don't pay me a nickel. Hey, Jer. Almost done, huh?
That's it.
Got a nice shine to it. Nice gloss. Very good, Jer. Thank you very much.
Want to throw this out or save this a little bit?
You want it for your car? Paint the windshield? How you doing?
Hey, Jared, how we going now?
All right.
Jared just painted my truck. What a nice job.
Looks good.
Yeah, real good. I just took, I had this, whatever you call it, ugly pinstripe. I took it off.
Yeah, now it looks a little better.
Yeah, really nice.
The trucks look good.
No, not yet. We're looking.
They got a beeper on them.
You know, key thing.
I'm gonna check in my car. I just wanted to see if you could get them. Looks good.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the paint job. Fade, you let it fade out? Just push it in. Fade out.
Oh. Looks good, huh?
Look, Joey, this is your godfather right there.
Here's Joey.
Joey, this might be your godfather.
Hey,
Look.
it's Joey's new baby. Joey.
He's how old today?
7 weeks.
March
It'll be 7
27th.
weeks.
I can't believe I had a Yugo.
Where's the other guy? Where's Jerry?
Right there.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Out of your mouth.
Come on. You going in the van, Jerry, all the way over here? Yeah? All right.
You sing to him, we'll start spinning.
Oh, Jerry Berry, Jerry, Jerry, Jerry Berry, Jerry.
Hi, baby. How you doing? Where's my sweetie?
Both sides.
So turn it back later. What? The back light? Oh, that's too late. Good,
Doesn't he kill another cousin, Aunt. Where? He took a shower. What's this? Kids are giving me everything now. She's like the big brother. What I take? Eat this house. Yeah.
I was working too, running after 3 kids.
Joanne. Hey, you like my kid, dog?
I got Barney steak for you guys for later.
You ever hear one on Z100? It goes, Barney got run over by the 18-wheeler?
No.
I love you. The truck ran him over.
Hey, Jerry.
You want me to take them or you
Jerry. I love you. You love me. Whereas. Hold on.
Hey, little dog.
Say hi.
Hey, Joey. You know me, GF.
all of them too.
I did.
Jeff. Come here, Jeff. Who's this? Who's this? Joey.
There's the quietest baby. There's the biggest baby.
Yeah. Sure.
Everybody's eating Chinese food, huh? $35.
31, she told me.
Somebody with extra staff.
on you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I said yes because
I don't know why they did that. Did you get that, dog?
No.
Here, look. Jordan's going in right now on one. What are we doing?
get warmed up.
Wait a minute.
I'm right in front of you. You told me penalty. Yeah,
Oh, do I?
Mike, you like Pinocchio?
yeah.
Mike, just climb the ladder. Wow. I see you in there, huh? Mikey's high. Gonna get down now? Okay, I see that ghoulie. Say hi, Nanny. Hi, Pop Pop. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator. Hi. Mikey's high?
Mama.
Be careful you don't fall off, Mike. You're high. You're too high.
Yeah. You're high.
Fans up there.
Yeah.
Be careful. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Daddy, no. Bye-bye.